You can see the intercooler's been installed right here in chrome. The windshield wipers have been installed. I can't see it very well, but right here is a modern day antenna. You can see the new mirrors have been added. With reflection, and then the exhaust has been added. Now, I did an extra piece. I have to go turn the light off real quick. I did an extra piece to it. Did ground effects. The tailpipe also has an option for an LED insert, so I inserted an LED as well in there. But she has ground effects now. The next step I'm going to do is add a roll cage made out of straws to simulate, a roll cage. The bar you'll see here, and then in the back window you'll see a cross like this, and then possibly one bar going across this way. So when you look into the canopy, or into the cockpit, you'll see roll cage. But Nismo, there's Master Chief falling through the atmosphere. Him hunting. Oh, and the brake calipers as well. So she's looking like a real car. I also took the antenna out and I bent it to get down the length of the car. So there's the updates. Hope you guys like. Alright, man. Peace out.